Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of Everspin Technologies. Now if you are observing this chart, I think I have made my last video on this in the month of June and July, and it's been consolidating. But now you can see a very big move that has happened in this particular stock, and looking at the kind of trends or levels we have here, it's look a steady chart with a very sharp move that has happened, a single sharp move that has happened over here. So let's understand the trend and let's see what lies in the trade ahead. So first of all, you have four important levels to look at. Your immediate support of it's not immediate support but the lower end of the range. So you have 9.94 as your immediate support. Then you will have your second support at 8.9, and the lower end of the range or the range of stop loss will be in between 5.3 and 4.2. Don't go below this level. Okay, and we also require this one, the low of 2020. So the low of 2020 is 1.76. Now all these levels are important, but as I told you, the first priority is these two levels, 9.9 and 8.9, and below which 5.3 and 4.2. But it would be better if you don't go below 8.9 in any adverse scenarios. Okay, so consider 8.9 as your stop loss. Don't go below that. Rest you have other levels to look at. Now if it continues to sustain above 9.94 or 9.95, you have your short-term target of $11, which will be your immediate target on the upside. So that's the first thing you need to look at. Now beyond $11, you have three more targets, which will probably push the stock towards the upper end of the range or the highs that it has made in the year 2017. So what we have here is 14.3, then you have 19, and you have 25 or $26. So these are your three levels that we are going to look at as far as the big trend is concerned. Now the important part is what makes this chart very interesting is the current move, and it is happening. So the stock starts with an uptrend, or better you would say a bounce back, then the bounce back stabilizes and we have a further up move. So this gives us the confidence that probably it will sustain in the upcoming days and weeks. So for that we have all the ranges on the upside, which will probably push the price towards the recent high or previous high of 2016 and 17. But the question here is what lies beyond $26, right? So because it's not going to stop at $26, and $26 is not the final destination over here. So for that, what we are going to do, as you can see here, this is a range. So from 2070 to 2020, from 2020 moving back to the highs of 2017, it is a range. So what lies beyond $226 is a movement or is something that we are going to look at. So for that we require the price move that the stock has shown, and let's say even we do not consider all this big fall, and let's say because it has happened, because this extra fall has happened because there is an unusual situation. So if I do not consider that, and let's say consider 4.29 as my big support or last stop loss, and even if I from 4.29 to $25 or $26, it is 492. 92. So even if I apply this one, so 492 to 25 dollars or $26, it is 492. So it would be 492% after $26, right? So the target that we are looking at going forward or beyond $26 will be $149. So this is what we are looking at as far as the big target is concerned. But right now, what is reality is $26, and beyond that, if there is a breakout, then we will go for 140, 150. Right now it is a conditional target and will only activate beyond $26 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.